Sa mga kababayan natin sa Davao ay ongoing na po ang walk-in applications natin sa Napolcom Regional Office sa second floor COP Building, CM Recto Street, Poblacion, Barangay 34D, Davao City. Habang po mayroon pang slot ay pumunta na kayo. Ito po ang mga dapat ninyong dalahin ng mga requirements. 5 lang po yan. Number 1, government issued ID showing your date of birth. Number 2, certified true copy or CTC of any of the following school documents. Pwedeng letter A, transcript of records or TOR. Letter B, diploma. Letter C, certificate of graduation. Kung wala kayong CTC, magdala po kayo ng original copy at isubmit ang photocopy nito. Number 3, 2 passport size colored photos showing yourself wearing a white shirt with a white background, and you should be holding a name tag showing your first name, middle name, and last name. Number 4, isang legal size white window envelope with 21 pesos worth of postal stamps and pangbayad na 400 pesos na exam fee. Tandaan po, hindi tinatanggap ang NBI, barangay, and police clearance bilang ID. Join our 15-day final coaching course sa AMV Learning and Development Center from 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Mondays to Fridays, April 7 to 25, 2026 para ikaw na ang susunod na #NapolcomPasser.